To create an account for a student, you'll need to log on first as yourself. Click on My Account, go to Users, click on Everyone, choose Add User. You'll put the student's last name, their first name, password. You can choose a temporary password for them. I always choose capital PASSWORD, so password with a capital D and the digit 1. That's my go-to, but you can create whatever you want. Put in the student's email address. Make sure you're using the My. School organization, you'll drop down and pick TCC district. And then for external ID, you put their student ID number, a space, and then NE for Northeast. And then on here it says student, and then you can click on My Team if you want. That way in the future when you go find a student, you just go to My Team. Okay, then you click Save, and it says User Added. Then the student will get an email which will have them log in and change their temporary password. If you're receiving an error message that the student already exists, click on Everyone, Students, and you can type in their first or last name, and it says right here this student already has a account. Okay. You can also download a list if you need to for any reason.